So, not that my opinion matters in the slightest, but if I could give you one small piece of advice, you should not be trading chop. I don't know how many times I have to tell people, stop trading chop. If you go to your 1 minute and it looks like this, don't touch it, don't look at it, close your app, delete your fucking app, do whatever you have to do to not look at this. You should be looking to trade changes of character and breaks of structure when you're following trend or going to trade a reversal. For example, you guys can see we start this morning in an upward move. We have price create a swing high right here, which is at 639.70. We pull back to this fair value gap at 638.30, and then we get a break of structure to the upside, which is where you can take calls. You don't want to trade in between. You don't want to take the initial move up. You don't want to take something just because a candle changes color. Here's another perfect example. We have price form a change of character at this 645.48 level. I did take a short position off of this level and I was able to get a 50% return out of it. Why did I take entry? First things first, we are obviously in an uptrend, but we do see that price starts to range between that 646 and 645 swing low right here. So as price is chopping in between, there's two things I want to wait for. One, either a break of structure and continuation to the upside, or price to break below our previous swing low, giving us that change of character. And you guys see we did break right here and giving us that break of structure to the upside. And I didn't take longs because a lot of times when price has a really strong move to the upside, it's usually a liquidity grab when it breaks above a swing level and pushes straight back below. So you want to wait for continuation rather than getting entry right on that first candle that breaks to the upside. So instead of taking calls as soon as we break right here, I ended up waiting, and you guys can see we get that bearish engulfing candle to the downside, which showed me that sellers could take control at this zone. So I waited for that change of character, took my entry, and I was able to get that 50% return out of this. You notice how I'm not trading anything in between these changes of characters and breaks of structure? There's no need to. It's forcing trades, it's chop. You will get stuck in chop 1,000 times over. Look at this shit. Nothing to trade here. There's no reason to try to force anything at all.